Hey friends, if you wish to turn off app diagnostics in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But before that, I want you to know why turning off diagnostics is important. Windows and Microsoft collects your diagnostic data, including those from apps that you're using. For example, if you are using a video editing tool, it will connect your diagnostic data and a lot of it. So if you want to stop that, then right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down a lot, and then click on app diagnostics and then turn this switch off, and that is it. Your app diagnostic data won't go to Microsoft. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.